Okay, so this audiogram is basically showing us how your ears have responded to different sounds at different frequencies and volumes. So the pitches we hear and the loudness of sounds we hear. And our goal is to have these marks all above the 20 line across our graph, so 20 decibels. And so we can see for most of your audio graph, we see that your hearing is normal. It's above 20. And we know that this audiogram is showing us that you have bilateral hearing loss because we see both ears are following the same pattern. Both ears are responding to the sounds in the same way. And on the audiogram, your right ear is represented by the circles, and your left ear is represented by the X's. And then also, we have taken data from your bone conduction, so how sound is traveling to your inner ear through your bones, and that's shown by those dark symbols next to those circles and X's. And so we know that it is a bilateral symmetrical sensory neural hearing loss because of all of these symbols and how they're grouped together. So both of your ears are experiencing the same loss, and they're following the same pattern, which is sloping. There's a really steep drop off towards those higher frequencies. And then we know that you have sensory hearing loss or sensory neural hearing loss because your bone conduction is showing us the same loss as your air conduction, meaning that your loss is coming from somewhere in your inner ear, somewhere really deep. And we know that you have severe hearing loss because at the highest frequency we have plotted, which is 8,000 hertz, it took a almost 90 decibel sound for you to detect. So that is considered severe hearing loss towards the end. So we start normal, and then towards those higher frequencies, it is harder for you to hear those.